This 2026 Winnebago Access 25RK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fife, Washington, 98424 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Fife. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5 and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-living area, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Winnebago Access 25RK is 6,520 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.